Hello everyone, today we have a review of the media mode for GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11 and it even supports GoPro 12. So let's check it out whether it's worth to buy, as the price of this mode is not really cheap. It's around $150. Of course you can buy the used one for around 100 or even 70 bucks. Actually what GoPro says here is that it's weather resistance, directional microphone, again weather resistance. What does it mean? It's not water resistance, it's just that I don't know, some rain will go, it will fine or what. So just marketing. Directional microphone here, 3.5 millimeter microphone port, HDMI out port, USB-C charging port. So the main thing here is actually microphone, also the possibility to connect external microphone. And although here are some additional sets where you can set some, I don't know, some light or something else. So let's try it, let's check it out, let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, the box, I think it should be opened here or maybe some other way, no other way. So it's glued here. Oh, come on, it's really not convenient to open it, guys. Why you make it? Ah, okay, I found a way. Here, actually, it is. But not that convenient to open, I can tell you. And at the end, you see you need to damage by yourself. So GoPro should work on this thing more precisely. Alright, let's open the mode itself. So what we have here inside, some limited warranty and blah blah blah. This one is media mode user manual, even they have. And also we have helmet again, official, yeah, I guess it's for helmet. Official handle from GoPro. Look here, looks good. At least they put this for this price. Also, it's actually quite high quality, this thing. There's also some rubber on top of it to fix it. And the media mode itself, that's it, empty. Okay, let's put this thing on side and test out the media mode. This we have wind resistance here, so the weight, I guess it's around 100 gram, maybe it's written somewhere here on the box. No, it's not actually written, but it's quite light. You can handle it with you, I think, quite conveniently. So briefly, from the back side, what we've got here is some ports. We've got 3 ports here. Let's open it up. I think it's not definitely water resistance, but maybe splash proofed and resistance against I don't know, some rain, light rain. So we've got charging cable Type C here, 3.5 millimeters jack here, and mini HDMI. All of this connected to GoPro using the using actually this Type C port. From left side you've got a button, mode button, again GoPro signature, so it's just copying regular buttons, recording button, microphone here. So from this side I feel a bit more heavier, let's say, because I think that control management system is here. So inside we've got plastic and some rubber here. Also these special handles. As an example, I have such light here, or you can buy GoPro light. So actually you can install it this way here. So let's test it out with GoPro separately, but actually I will show you later on while I put on my GoPro. I've got GoPro 11 here, so let me turn it on. I don't remember whether I have here some, or it's charged. Let's turn it on again. Okay, let me charge it a bit and I will be back to you. Alright, actually I've charged the GoPro, and let's put it inside this case and test it out. But before, let me put this wind protection, how it should be. Let's try it this way, maybe. Seems like this. I don't know, doesn't fit well. Let's see the manual. Actually, I don't use it that often, but let's test it out. Well, maybe they will show to us. Okay, here is they put the light. All right, so actually this thing should be here, like this. Okay, so it's fixed, and that's how it looks like, and should be resistance from the wind. Let's open it. So it's similar to GoPro opening, but be careful. Look here. So nothing, then should be careful. But plastic quality seems fine, so I hope there should be no issues. Alright, so we should unstick the back door, very simple, and then connect it, I guess, this way. Fit perfectly, and close it from the side. That's how GoPro looks like. Let's put all these useless things apart, and okay, it's actually not that convenient to click this button. And let's see whether it will be detected. Don't show again. 1, 2, 3. As you see, appears a sound, so seems that the media mode is working. I don't know whether it should be some indication that media mode is connected. Wireless connection, general, display modes. Okay, max lens, media mode. Standard mic is written. That's max lens controlled dashboard. Okay, so here we have all these chargers, microphone, jack. Actually, it's quite convenient to charge here. You don't need to open all the time the GoPro. And let's test the sound. Let's move back. The test of the sound of the media mode on GoPro. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll put closer to me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wind test as well. And turn the camera around. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let's turn it off and connect to the... and just disconnect it and try the sound without media mode. Okay. Actually quite hard to put it off. Let's turn it on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. As you see, disappeared the green light here, the microphone indicator. Let's try it out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Test of the camera of the GoPro 11 without media mode. The wind from back. And now front side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's test like this with the microphone. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So you will see right now the testing. So obviously, let's turn off the GoPro. Obviously, with the mode, the quality will be much better of the sound itself. Then you have some additional protection, let's say. Oh, I put it this way. Okay, correct. So actually become a bit more heavier, not that portable, but still you can hold it quite conveniently in your hand for vlogging, for some extreme. Also, as I promised to show you, you can put some additional light or microphone on top of it, like this. Then you can make some more professional recording. So as you see, this is actually quite convenient. Also from from the side you can put additional microphone or some other accessories that you would like to. Actually, for the review itself, that's pretty much it. Would I recommend to buy it? I guess yes, if you need high quality sound for your GoPro. There is no other options than this mode, especially for GoPro 9, 10 and 11, where you cannot connect external microphone. Maybe for GoPro 12 it's easier, you can connect the wireless microphone as the issue will be solved. But for a previous version you need to buy this mode to connect 3.5 microphones, or to use these microphones that built in the mode. But the price, I guess, is, of course, it's overpriced. It's GoPro. The quality is fine, but definitely doesn't worth $170 that GoPro asked for it. So the real price, if you can get it secondhand for $70, I guess it's really good offer. Alright, that's pretty much it. Leave your questions in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.